This is going to be a tutorial on how to install RAM. As you can see, I have my DDR3 RAM slot here in this old motherboard that I don't use anymore, and that's my new computer. And I have my 1GB of RAM here with my DDR3 RAM. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to remove these hooks right here. Well, not remove them, but push them back and open them. And now you want to get your RAM, make sure it's aligning, and slide it in, and now apply pressure on either side. Make sure it's not going to slip out when you do that though. Apply pressure, and you should hear a clicking noise as this goes back in, and on that side too. Yep, and that's how you install RAM. And I got this on my finger from touching the back of this, if some people were wondering. Yep, that's pretty much this tutorial over. Bye bye, please rate, comment, subscribe, watch the next video.